Hi guys, today I'm going to make Quaker cookie oatmeal cookies. Alright, so I already got the mix started here. It's really simple. Even like Wolfie could do it. Wolfie's my son. But anyway, so it's 2 3/4 mix. Here you go. I don't know if the camera's getting it. And a quarter cup of water. And you mix it together. You get yourself a cookie sheet. Put that oven at 375. Wait a minute, I forgot because I was talking. What is this supposed to be? A quarter? Is that a quarter? That's about right. Alright, my hands are clean, I washed them. You can still see the sweat on them shits. But anyway, right. So 375 is the temperature. Fahrenheit. If you in somewhere else, is 190 Celsius. I don't know. I do Fahrenheit. Okay, so you just put in the water in there. You mix it all up until it becomes nice and crumbly. Oh baby, it's 12:13. My son's doing school at home because COVID-19. That shit tore 2020 up. Tore it up. But anyway, a lot of good things happen in 2020, you know. You're still here, thank God. You're still here, thank God, hopefully. Oh, for fuck's sakes, I just dropped some stuff. Anyway, this is becoming really nice. I gotta clean it up. Because, oh God, if I don't clean it up, it sticks to the damn carpet. And you're probably like, why is there a carpet in the kitchen? I'm in Canada, niggas. It's fucking cold up here in Quebec. You probably like, now you're like, what is a black person doing in Quebec? That's a long story, nigga. Anyway, this is dope. It's kind of wet and sticky. So what we gotta do is get us a spoon. I think I should add a little bit more though. I think it's a little bit too sticky. Boss up and change your life. Hey, that's Lizzo, nigga, don't play. Alright, so it's a little gooey, no, but I think it's supposed to be like that. Alright, so let's just get it off our fingers. Shit, get to the baking sheet. Damn it. That's some sticky shit. I should read it and say, is it supposed to be sticky as hell? Or is it supposed to be like, you know, head toast? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some spoons, baking sheet, and I'll be right back. Niggas, don't go nowhere.